Hi, my name's Stuart Williams and I lecture agriculture at Pembrokeshire College. We are currently at Wilhelm Farm Barn as the link farm to the agriculture course. So I'm the fourth generation to be involved within agriculture, and having grown up on a dairy and beef farm all of my life, I went away to university, got a degree in animal science, and then I returned home to work the farm. As part of a diversification, we have built in an education part to the farm, and I now lecture in the college, which is another level to the education that goes on here at Wilhelm Farm Barn. So the agriculture course includes a mass variety of parts of the agriculture sector, including a business and the ways to run it, through to the animal husbandry, animal welfare and just general animal needs on a farm, but also includes plant crop growth and grass growth on how to maintain these animals for the future. As part of the course, you can either go on to be into level 3 agriculture within Pembrokeshire College, and following that you can go into university. But if you want to go straight into a career in agriculture, that's also quite possible, but it just gives you a little bit of understanding before you jump into that career. So the facilities that we use for our course is Wilhelm Farm Barn as the main farm that's linked to the college course, but also we travel around Pembrokeshire and beyond, looking at the different farms, the different businesses within the locality, and so far we've had a massive uptake of people wanting us to go and see their farms and see their businesses, which has also gained recognition for them as much as it has for our learners. As far as the day-to-day facilities for the learners, we've got the use of a multitude of areas within the college, and it's fantastic what is provided for the learners. So there's a multitude of support available for our learners, right the way from pastoral support, safeguarding, learning support, so help with your assessments, but also to the fact of having an LSA for individuals, or as a group you can have an LSA. So the support right the way through, whether it be academically or emotionally, is there for everyone as far as the learners, but also for the staff.
Amazing.
So for me, this course is an amazing choice. It's just an opportunity to get an all-round knowledge of the agriculture business, agriculture the way that it's run in Pembrokeshire and beyond, looking globally as well. But it gives you that sound footing to be able to turn your hand to anything and hopefully progress your career however it may take you.